Every year, millions of animals suffer in laboratories around the world for scientific experiments. These animals can't speak for themselves, but their lives are affected by the choices humans make. In fact, scientists say that over 100 animals are used in experiments every year, such as dogs, monkeys, rabbits, etc. Animals experience painful procedures, extreme stress, and long periods of confinement. Sadly, many of them never leave the laboratory alive after experiments are completed. Recently, researchers have been developing modern testing methods like computer modeling and human cell testing, which can provide results without harming animals. You can help make a difference. Choose cruelty-free products, educate others about animal testing, support research that doesn't use animals, and spread awareness about this issue. Science shouldn't cost an animal's life.